Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Deluxe Conrad Electric Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Conrad Electric Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a very impressive sized dildo, so this is recommended for more advanced users. Here are some useful measurements about the Conrad Realistic Dildo. So the total length of the dildo is 20 centimeters. The insertion depth is 16.5 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 4.5 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 4 centimeters. Now, as mentioned, this is an electric realistic dildo and it comes equipped with 10 powerful vibration settings. These are easy to control using the buttons at the base of the dildo on the back just here. To turn on, push and hold for 2 to 3 seconds on the bottom button. A red light will appear and the vibrations begin, indicating the toy is now on. To change the vibrations, click on the up button just here and you can change to one of the other 10 powerful vibration settings. To turn off the dildo, push and hold down for a few seconds on the bottom button and it's now off. The Conrad dildo also features a strong suction cup, meaning you can place this on any flat, smooth, free surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. It features a realistic design with a ball sack at the base, a veiny shaft all the way around and a rounded head at the top just here as well. It's also made of a revolutionary material which is flexible and adapts to your body shape as well. It's made of an ultra silky soft silicone material on the outside just here, meaning it's very comfortable when using. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation. It features a firm yet flexible core made of SiliXpan, which, as mentioned earlier, adapts to your body shape, making it a revolutionary type of dildo. It's not your standard type of dildo. Now, this Conrad Electric Realistic Dildo is also suitable for strap-on harnesses too. This dildo is also rechargeable using your USB charging cable provided in the packaging. The charging point is located as a soft silicone hole at the base just here. Using your USB charging cable, gently insert it like so and it will charge for you. Now, when using the Conrad Realistic Dildo, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please note, we do not recommend using a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. After use, we would highly recommend to clean. For this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner spray and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Deluxe Conrad Electric Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.